This 17-key Kalimba Thumb Piano stands out with its Sakura-inspired transparent acrylic body that looks elegant while feeling solid and comfortable in the hands. The thickened acrylic and sturdy ore steel tines give it a clear, bell-like tone that rings longer than many entry-level thumb pianos. Engraved letters and notes on each key make it genuinely beginner-friendly, so children and adults can pick out simple melodies within a short practice session. The included tuning hammer, cleaning cloth, music sheets, and note stickers form a complete starter kit that helps new players keep the instrument in tune and learn songs methodically. An upgraded molded case made from dense ethylene vinyl acetate protects the kalimba from bumps in a backpack, making it easy to carry to school, rehearsals, or outdoor gatherings. With both 17-key and 21-key options and a responsive feel under the thumbs, it works well for everything from pop covers to gentle background music and makes a charming gift for anyone curious about folk instruments.